Hello guys, Rob here, 10,000 SOV giveaway. Before we get into this giveaway, I have a couple other things for you. First up, the block base airdrop number 1 starts tomorrow, so look out for that video coming tomorrow. We will be able to claim the first round of the block base airdrop. So if you're interested in that video and you're not subbed yet, click that subscribe button. Second, on EOS Newswire, I have put together an EOS SOV stats page with the price, current holders, total supply, as well as a breakdown day by day, how many are claiming, daily growth, air grab growth, total supply, deflation, and stuff like that. These stats are courtesy of Quartz in the Telegram channel, so if you are in the SOV Telegram, send all tips to him. I'll leave the link to this page in the description below. It is eosnewswire.1/EOS-SOV-stats. So again, link to that in the description below. Now, let's get on to this giveaway here. I put this giveaway up in the Telegram about 10 days ago, and no one has claimed it yet. So I guess it was too hard. One person did trigger the conditions, but never clicked on the link. 10,000 SOV are hidden on one of EOS.io support's pages. The link you're looking for will take you to the claim form pictured below. What you're looking for is a link that takes you to this claim form here. So what I'm going to do is make these a bit easier, and I'm going to split that 10,000 SOV into 3 separate links of 3,333 SOV. So now there are 3 links somewhere on eosio.support that will take you to this claim page. You tweet the page you found the link on, and then simply input your EOS account that you want the SOV sent to and a link to your tweet that you tweet out with the page you found the link on, and I will send you over your SOV. Now down here at the bottom, the link may only become visible after a certain amount of time on a page, or after an action like watching a video on a page, or after a certain number of visits to the page, or maybe there as soon as you access the page. So it might not be as soon as you click on a page the link is going to be there. You might have to trigger an action to get the link to appear. So maybe it's watching a video on the page, maybe it's leaving that page and revisiting the page, maybe it's a combination of both, maybe it's a certain amount of time spent on a page. And I'll just come out and tell you it's not gonna be there immediately once you're there. Some sort of action has to be triggered in order for the link to show up. Now this is somewhere on eosio.support. If you do not know what eosio.support is, here's the homepage. It's a search engine for EOS.io tutorials. You can either search here with what you're looking for how to do, or search by clicking on one of these tags and it will pull up tutorials for that specific task you are looking to perform in EOS. There's EOS tutorials, Telos tutorials, Wax tutorials, EOS.io tutorials. So this is the main page, the home page, that will take you to all the tutorials on the site. Again, either searching by tag or searching using the search bar here. So that is how you will find all the pages on the site. And while you're at it, head on over to the sister and side chain page and check out Telos. Right now, Telos is paying great Rex returns with 1 million extra TLOS per month sent to those staking their Telos in Rex, putting the current interest at about 24.4% per year, 2% per month. If you don't have a Telos account yet, you can get your free account here. Using the free account button, it'll take you to a list of free account options. And if you already have a Telos account or had an EOS Genesis account, there is a tutorial here for Rexing your Telos using Squirrel Wallet and Rexing your Telos using Scatter. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. But that's going to do it for me for this one. Good luck everybody in the SOV hunt if you do want to participate, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the block base air grab.